hits you when you least expect it to. Anytime, any place, it can come right out of the blue. I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything. Just one look into your eyes and I knew I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. From this day on, I will be everything that you need, and I won't let anyone or anything come between.
Papunta na ako sa Tagaytay wherein doon ako mag-propose kay Rain. And si Rain naman din is nag-base na kasama yung best friend niyang si Ninya. Actually, ang alam niya is Christmas party yung pupuntahan niya doon. Kasama yung barkada ni Ninya. But let's see later kung ano yung magiging reaction niya.
Papunta na kami ng Tagaytay. So all this time, ang alam niya ay Christmas party ng barkada yung pupuntahan namin. So ayun, sana hanggang mamaya hindi siya makahalata. Thank you for driving.
Nandito na ako sa venue. So tingnan natin yung place.
For worse or for better, I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. Wise men say
I hope magustuhan niya.
only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay?
Malapit na sila. So, in a few, gaganap na ang moment na pinakanihintay ko. So, yeah, let's do it!
She's my smile when I'm feeling blue. She's my good night's sleep when the day is through, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. She's kinda like this. Kinda like the feeling after your first kiss. Except that every day she makes me feel like this. She's exactly
Success ba?
oh, yeah.
So, good ka ba, baby?
Yeah, so
Ayan, so bago mo i-observe lahat ng mga happenings, I have something to tell you, baby. Ready? Nakaban ako. Okay, we've been together for 7 years, baby. 8 years na next year, May. And dami na natin pinagdaanan, tawanan, kulitan, iyakan, tampuhan, bulihan. Ikaw lang naman ang bully sa atin. Tapos, pinaka-paborito ko yung suportahan sa isa't isa. So, nakita ko kung paano nag-grow yung relationship natin, yung kung paano tayo mag-mature as a person. Nakita ko din yung career. Dati, fact setter lang tayo, pero ngayon, masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin ngayon. Nasa business ka na, yun ang pangarap mo, di ba? Si Amity, congratulations, baby. Tapos, meron ka na rin property sa Quezon. Tapos, meron ka si Hira, for convenience, di ba? And same goes with me. Because of your trust, your support, your love, nagawa ko yung kay Proof, which is nagbigay din sa akin para makuha ko din yung pangarap ko na ma-renovate ang bahay namin, magkaroon ng condo, which is titiran natin soon, at mapagtapos ko ng pag-aaral ng kapatid ko. Ngayon, I believe, baby, na ito na yung right time, perfect time, to level up our relationship. Samahan mo ako na i-achieve natin together yung mga future goals natin. At hanggang sa pagtanda, ang tagal kong hinintay mo, ang tagal kong pinag-pray kung kailan ba dapat mo itatanong sa'yo ito. And sabi ni Lord, ngayon daw. Ngayon daw. Woo! Baby, I'm kneeling down in front of you, asking, will you marry me?
Yay! Aww. Tingin, sing-sing!
Thank you, Lord!
Congrats! Tingin, sing-sing!
Pakita ng hands ko yun.
Hey! Congrats!
Thank you, Yin, sobra. Ang galing mo.
Grabe, akala ko mamimit namin sina ano.
Sila.
Mga friends siya.
Yun talaga.
Successful ang plan! Congrats!
In love with you, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. But some things are meant to be. Oh, and take my hand, oh, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can.
What can you say, Sering?
Sobrang I love it. Love.
So pretty.
Yeah, the best.
Deserve mo yan.
Thank you.
Super deserve.
Thank you sa pag-help kay JV, my best.
Sure. All the best
Thank
for you.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Grabe, sobrang hindi ko ina-expect kasi ang alam ko, magdi-dinner with friends ni. Tapos, hindi ko talaga ma-explain ko ano yung nafe-feel ko. Sobrang shock ako nung. Tsaka hindi ko na ina-expect na magpo-propose kasi feeling ko mga next year or next year or in 2 years pa. Kasi hindi talaga ako parang nagmamadali. Ganyan. So,
Okay lang.
ayoko ding ma-pressure si Jay.
Yung planning na lang, yung patagalin.
Yeah.
Para perfect.
Yeah.
Congrats, my bestie.
Thank you. Thank you.
So happy for you.
Thank you.
For